Reaction mo sa new leadership po?
I congratulate Sherwin, a dedicated, disciplined, hardworking, brilliant colleague and a dear friend. And congratulate, of course, Tito. I willingly give my pro tempore, been there, done that. And then congratulate, of course, Migs. I was also majority leader in 2-1. So I congratulate all of them. And I'm glad na 13 ang boto. So maayos na, legal na.
Water under the bridge na ba, ma'am?
Back to work namang lahat. Ma'am, back to work na po kayo lahat.
The work never stopped. You know me, I'm always working. Whether we're here in plenary, galing kami Mindanao, tumutulong sa mga biktima ng earthquake, or umiikot sa mga state universities at colleges, or nakikipag-ugnayan sa iba't ibang grupo, the work has never stopped. The work never stops, and the work will never stop.
Is this a fresh start na?
I'm sorry?
Fresh start na ito ngayong nangyari. May bagong kandidato, 13 sila.
Every day is a fresh start, and we welcome, recognize, and congratulate the new leadership who are dear friends, who are competent public servants, and we in the minority, because I remain to be in the minority, will collaborate for the good of the Filipino people.
Sabi po si Sam Page kanina.
Sabay-sabay isa-isa. Siguro, 3 o'clock eh. Oo. Kasi napasa yung dalawa ko eh. Una, yung aking waling-waling, National Orchid. Pangalawa, yung higher education. Napakahalaga yun. Yung 2018, ginawa ko yung higher education na libre ang pangkolehiyo na scholarship. Tapos, ngayon, inamend namin at akong chair ng BICAM, nung akong chair ng higher ed, yung amendments to higher education na ratify kanina. So, marami pang ibang mamaya. Yes. 13 na eh. Diba? 13 na. Nung 12, hindi pa. Pero 13 na. Di ba yun naman ang sinabi ko? What is Rule 2, Section 2 of the Rules of the Senate? All officers of the Senate will be elected by a majority of all its members. 24 divided by 2 plus 1 ay mayorya. Diba? Mula sa simula naman ganun eh. Yan. So,
Si Sam Win kanina. Ano
Sino?
usapan niyo po? Si
Sherwin.
SP Win.
oh yeah.
So, hindag niyo din po si Sam.
Oo naman. Lahat naman sila. Yes. Alam mo, Sherwin and I, ang papa nga niya, araw-araw nag-text sa akin. We're family friends. 20 years.
Iba na ng partner mo is tanggapin yung Senate.
Oo naman. Yes. Oo.
At
Concede na siya kanina umaga. Oo naman. Single lang to. Pag may mayorya ka ng 24, a majority of all its members, then you have the leadership. Ganun kasimple. Sundin lang natin ang rules, di ba?
How long will this go?
I hope it will hold long because I support Sherwin and Tito and Migs. Yes, I work with them. Alam niyo, kailan naman nagbibigay ng kulang? Kasi kailangan mo ng story.
So, paano yung petition?
Ma'am, will you ever consider joining the majority?
Petition ninyo sa
At
Supreme Court?
ibigyan niya ng kalutasan ng Korte Suprema. Kasi ang aming tinatanong, hindi naman yung today, alam naman yung mas mali. Yung nangyari na reorganization ng June 3 na walang 13. Pero ngayon, inayos nila. So, inayos today.
All is well that ends well na kayo mo? All is well that ends well, maayos na po. Wala nang gulo kaya
Doesn't end.
doesn't end.
All is well.
All is well.
Say it ends well.
Ma'am,
Because life and work never end.
Ma'am, will you ever consider joining the majority?
Huh?
Will you ever consider joining the majority?
Sino majority or minority? Okay. When we help the earthquake victims in Jensan, tinatanong naman ng aming tinutulungan, majority ka ba? Minority ka ba? Ano chairmanship mo? Hindi eh. Kami halal. 54.2 million Filipinos, perhaps more, elected me. I don't think it's because I'm with the majority or minority or the winning leadership. Change ba? Importante, nasa puso, nasa isip at nasa kamay.